Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not, please subscribe to my channel and we are gonna like each other. So today's video is a makeup video and sorry guys, I'm doing a voiceover again and you guys know the drill already. Going straight into the video right away. I did my brows off camera and for my primer today, I primed my eyes with my NYX Jumbo Pencil just because I knew that I would come back later on with a concealer to cut my crease. And then using my festival palette from Juvia's Place, I used that beautiful orange shade as a transition color, and I just started packing it on my crease from my outer V, taking it into my crease, and then I'll continue until I have the desired amount that I was going for. The next color that I used from the same palette is this beautiful deep red shade, and I used it to like bring in more color into the crease, and I just continued packing and packing and packing because I wanted it to like pop really nicely. Then going into my Modern Renaissance palette from ABH, I used that burnt orange shade to like set my brow bone just because that shade is almost like my brow bone color, so I just wanted it to look as natural as possible. Going in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX, I used that with my funny brush to like cut my crease, and you guys know the struggle, especially if you have hooded eyelids like mine. It's always a struggle to cut your crease perfectly, but we are getting there guys. We are getting there, like slowly but surely we are getting there. We will perfect this someday somehow. So I just apply the concealer all over my lid because I wanted the next color to really pop. Then from the same palette guys, I feel like I used just one palette to create this look. I used this white shimmery shade from that palette to like apply on the above section of my crease, or the cut crease, you know, the upper section of my cut crease rather. And I have never used a white eyeshadow on my eyes. This is like the first time, and my friend Didi Signature actually inspired me to apply this bright color like white eyeshadow because she normally, to her it's like a routine, she does it all the time. So I was like, okay, if Didi can do it, I can also do it. And then going in with that beautiful yellow shade, I just used that to like blend in with the white shimmery shade on my eyelids. So I was just tapping. The color was not that pigmented, but I packed and packed and packed until it started popping. Went in with the brush later to blend everything. And then from my outer V to blend everything at that around that area, I went in back with the red shade. And I was just trying to make everything blend in nicely, you know, just to avoid any harsh lines. And going in with the same brush that I used on my brow bone, I just cleaned the entire eyes. Yes guys, so for my false lashes today, I used these ones from Fairy Fashion and I applied them off camera as usual. For my foundation and my primer, I used my L'Oreal Infallible Primer and then this nice foundation that I got from Kat Von D. Of course, it's not a new foundation, it's not a new release, but I'm always the last person to like get these things because I don't have a Sephora here. And when I got to Sephora for the first time, this is one of the first products that I actually walked straight to because the ratings online is like superb. People really like this foundation, and I can actually see why. I concur, I validate. It is matte, it is super full coverage, and I am as oily and greasy as you can ever think of. So I feel like this foundation is perfect for me, though I'm not that much of a fan of a full coverage foundation. And then for my concealer today, I used my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX in the shade Golden Honey to like highlight my under eyes. And this foundation, this concealer is actually good, but my problem is I feel like the coverage is not that, it's not that full, like full like other, like my Elegant concealer. So yeah, but I feel like it is nice. That's all I can say about this concealer, really. I blended everything, you know, And then to set my under eyes, I went in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder just to set everything so the concealer does not move, guys. Always set it, except you have dry skin and then you're free. But for me, I always set my concealer under my eyes. For my contour today, I used a darker shade of the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and that shade is called Deep Espresso. To contour my cheeks, this is a perfect shade for me, especially now that we are approaching summer and everybody is like tan. But I don't use this particular shade to contour my nose because it's a little bit too harsh. In as much as I want to snatch my big nose, I can't use that shade, so I go in with my blush from MAC in the shade Film Noir, and I just like snatch them nostrils to make them look small, and then taking off the excess powder off of my face and trying to blend everything. Next, I'll go to my under eyes and just try to, do a little bit of makeup. No, before that, okay guys, I'm sorry. First of all, let's highlight our face. And my God, Double Down Cosmetics, life. Life. As you can see, I went a little bit overboard with my highlighter today, but it's okay guys, it's okay, because with this highlighter, you can actually work it into your skin. It blends into your skin really easily. So, and it's in the shade Equation. These highlighters were sent to me. Thank you, Double Down Cosmetics. I love them. I have been using them religiously. I used it to highlight my inner tear ducts as well, and also highlight the bridge of my nose and the high point of my nose, my cupid's bow as well. Next, I went to my under eyes now, yeah, to like, use that red shade just to do some kind of makeup under as well, to make some kind of, to match, matching it with my crease. Yeah, and then bringing out the few lashes that I have under my eyes with my Black Up mascara, which I love very much. It's easy to use. I used it to like bring out the few lashes under my eyes. For my setting spray today, I used the Slay All Day from Gerard Cosmetics. Thank you, Gerard Cosmetics, for sending me these goodies. And also for my lips, I use Gerard Cosmetics lip products. The lip gloss, the metallic matte liquid lipstick, and my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, which is always like the perfect lip topper for me. The perfect lip topper, guys. If you want to get that shine, this is your go-to. Like, I don't know if you don't have Fenty Beauty, wait till you gain, as in a way to you really gain. Anyways, and that's how we achieved this look. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, before I go, stay pretty, stay slaying, and always smile. Don't ask me about my scarf. I don't know how I tie this. I don't know how I tie these scarves on my head though. I just always wrap and wrap and wrap, and then they come out like poof. So see you in my next video, and bye guys.